Rider. Yes guys, today we are going to review the one of the most premium segment scooter from Suzuki. It's a PS6 variant with its new Bluetooth connectivity feature. Coming back to the front profile of the vehicle, we get a windscreen over here which kind get deflects the wind very nicely. It's not adjustable. Going back to the slightly moving to the downside of the vehicle, we get a number plate holder over here with Suzuki badging and FI technology fuel injection sticker over here. Moving to the headlight of the vehicle, as I am letting it up, we totally get a LED setup over here with daytime running lights. Moving back to the suspension of the vehicle, we get a telescopic suspension with discs over here. It's a disc variant with Nissan calipers. Alloy, it's 12 inches. Coming back to the tire profile of the vehicle, it's 90 by 90. We get a halogen bulb over here, side by indicators. The overall front profile of the vehicle, as I am showing you. Coming back to the side profile of the vehicle, we get a sapphire black finishing over here on its dashboard. Talking about the leg space of the vehicle, you can see it's one of the most premium segment vehicle. You get a massive leg space over here with two holders over here. Luggage holders. You get a 1 liter bottle holder over here and a key slot. On their left side, you get a glove box. It's 2 liter glove box with 12 volt charging socket. On its side profile, we get a panel black touch on its side fairings. You can see a Bergman badging over here, Bergman Street. The color which we are having is a matte red. Coming to the pillion footrest, it's made up of aluminium. It's kind of looks sturdy. Coming to the exhaust, we get a sporty muffler with also piano black touching over here. Coming to the tire size of the rear tire size, we get 90 by 100 10-inch alloy wheels. As you can see, for the pillion we get a grab rails over here. It also made up of hard material which painted in piano black touch. Coming back to the seat, we get a nice cushion seat for pillion as well as for front riders. It is made for street as well as highway commute. Thus coming to the rear profile of the vehicle, as you can see, we totally get a LED setup in its tail light which kind of look good in night. Very impressive. The indicators are bulb, as you can see. Coming back to the engine of the vehicle, it's 4-stroke single cylinder air cooled engine with 2 valves, 124cc engine which produces 8.7 PS of power at 6750 rpm and 10 Newton meters of torque at 5500 rpm. It's totally a fuel injected engine, a CVT with a CVT gearbox. We also get a tire hugger which resists the mud on the streets. As you can see, the Suzuki badging at the rear. Coming back to the main Bluetooth connectivity of the vehicle, here we get a mode and a select button, as you can see in it. Coming back to the screen, it's showing the time, the engine temperature, the speedometer, the fuel gauge, trip meter, total kilometers we driven. Pressing on the select button, it's showing the battery voltage, the FI technology, the odometer reading as well. As we connected our mobile through Bluetooth mode, it's also showing the network connectivity and the battery indicators of the mobile. It also shows the navigation system, SMS alert, call alert, and WhatsApp message alert too. And it also shows at the last time where you park your vehicles, the trip, and the vehicle location where you parked it. And beneath it, it's also showing the Suzuki badging. On the left, as you can see, we get a pressure monitoring light, a eco indicator light, the separate turn by turn indicator light, the engine malfunction light, and the upper dipper switch light, as you can see. The main console looks very attractive and premium, as I am showing you the overall view of the console. Special thanks to Ria Suzuki Bhandup for providing us the vehicle. If you want to buy any of the Suzuki product, do contact Ria Suzuki for best deals. The link and the contact details are in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Stay tuned, like, share and subscribe. Comment down your thoughts. What kind of improvements should we do? Special thanks to Ria Suzuki for providing us this vehicle. Thank you.